Buffalo CDF4. It's our confined disposal facility. Right now we're working on our perimeter dike repair project. This consists of removing existing armor stone downslope. We are putting in some chinking and underlaying stone, as well as a grout layer and some concrete blocks to tie into the sheet pile. After that, we'll put newer armor stone in the repaired areas. This is because some of the stone has degraded over time. This project is approximately $2.7 million and should be completed around the end of 2016.